So you're going to start off by taking off the back plate with a simple Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so the back panel pretty much comes right off once you unscrew it. So I'm just going to start with the battery. Comes right out like that. So you want to undo all the cabling to the motherboard at this point. 2 connectors here. Video display connector. Alright, now I'm undoing this metal piece right here. Okay, now you can remove the motherboard once that comes out. So I'm just going to undo this right here from the motherboard. It gives access to the fan. See, there's a lot of dust in here. This all can be hit with compressed air. I think this is a Torque 6 for the main motherboard. Yeah, Torque 6 for sure. Okay, so when you take the motherboard out, you got to be very careful because the power cord over here in the corner, it's still connected. So you just want to wiggle it. So I'm back to a Phillips screwdriver. There's a screw that keeps the Wi-Fi card attached to the DVD drive. Let's do this. We're going to take the power cord out, the power jack. So now I have my replacement plastic part, and I'm just going to put that part right back in and just simply screw it back down. We're going to take off the LCD now. So this is the strategy on how to get this back in. Do you see that right there? How I'm kind of sliding it and guiding it in. Just push the holders for the LCD, the screw port right there, and screw it back in. Nice and tight. And put the DVD drive back down. I'm going to line up these 3 holes right here. Going to set this Wi-Fi unit right back. Now it's time for the logic board. I've taken a toothbrush and I've cleaned the vents right here, like so. Connected the power cable, which is right over here in the corner. Then just kind of lift up all the cords that are supposed to plug into the motherboard. You want to make sure that it's aligned properly. T6 for the motherboard. Putting the fan back in. Connect the fan back. Alright, now we need the trackpad, so we'll be taking the old piece right here. Just want to be extremely careful doing the trackpad, as the brackets and the screws, everything's just extremely fragile. Alright, I'm testing the clickability of the mouse, as you can see. Listen carefully. Click. Click, 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 click. Alright, so the clicks work now. Before they didn't work. It's because this was broken. Right here, holding things in place. The second to last piece will be the hard drive, so I'm going to take this out now. These got to come off the old plastic case. They go like this. So you shove one side in until it's flush like that. It's pretty easy. Okay, now I'm ready to put the hard drive in. Hard drive's in. Now we're going to put the plastic piece on, the little harness to secure it down. Got 2 more cables right here. Last part, the battery. So we're just going to throw this in here and see where the screws line up. There we go, like that.